Hey everyone!
Hey!
So we are going to make some chicken and rice, I'm assuming.
Yes. So what I did, let me show you what I have boiling over here real quick. I just told her to get into some comfy clothes because that's what she wanted to do. And I just took the broth from a pork loin that we made that, sorry I didn't make a video with, but I just seasoned it with olive oil, garlic salt, black pepper. No, I didn't use garlic salt either. What did I use? Let me show you.
Anyway,
that used it all.
that pork loin was really good.
It was Cavaliers is what it was. I used the Cavaliers and the olive oil and baked it on in the crock pot just for low all day long, and it was very tender and good. So I saved the juices off of it. So we're going to make a little bit of rice, and that's all that is. So I'm going to let you pour that in, Kate, and we'll
I don't know if they can see Charlie in the background.
oh, can y'all see Charlie? Taking her a nap on the floor there. There you go.
I'm doing it slow so
You,
they don't.
you can go ahead and...
I don't want to accidentally burn myself.
Now for rice, you don't really want to stir it as it's cooking unless you want sticky rice.
Sticky rice is good too.
I guess it is, but I like the individual kind. So we're just going to do a little, ooh, I about dropped it. Do a little swirl,
Okay.
and then we'll put the lid on it. And then basically we're just going to let it cook. You spread out all the rice all around the...
I think you said swirl, so I don't know, one big
Well, just all I was doing was spreading out the rice, okay? Now, put that on.
Alright.
And we'll turn that down to low. And we'll let it bake. We'll let it cook at 451. Okay. So now we're just gonna make us some chicken fingers is what I have. I don't know how much it is around you guys's, but it is $3.29 a pound. So we're just gonna, I saw it in the air fryer that you can throw it in the air fryer and it's really good grilled. So that's what I'm gonna work on.
That's
I
Charlie.
was gonna say someone knocking at the door. So,
Oh, my goodness.
goodness gracious. All right. So let's get some seasonings and we'll come right back.
Alright, we are back and we have some Chickalika Bam Bam bird rub. We have some Cajun Two Step and some extra virgin olive oil right there. So I am going to get started and pour.
I had already started pouring some olive oil in here. I'll just dump it, but
Okay.
we may need a little bit more. You just dump it all right over the chicken and be fine.
Alright.
So how's everybody been doing? Caitlin, how have you been doing?
I have been doing great.
Good. Good.
Too much seasoning never hurt anybody, do it?
Ah, that's good. Give us a little more, actually. I like that.
I mean,
Alright.
I figured we could make it a little bit flavorful.
That's right. Now let's,
Stir it up.
yeah, let's see if you can just kind of stir it around, see if you can get it wet on all sides. And okay, good job.
What's everybody been doing today? We didn't really do much today. We had a little church trip, so.
We had to go with the ladies.
Mm-hmm.
And
Right.
Anna had a cross-country run. We can post some pictures of that in a little bit. And
She got ninth place out of runners and then second in our school district. So
We think, I don't know, we wasn't there. We got the FaceTime, but we're proud of her regardless. She shaved a few minutes off of her time, which is what she wanted to do. Good job, Kate.
thank you.
We're gonna throw these things in the air fryer. We may need to add a little more olive oil. Let me see. Oh, don't shake it because we don't want chicken juice.
I didn't even think about that.
Alright. So I keep my little tongs kind of closed and I'm just stirring it all I'm doing. And you don't like yours super spicy, do you?
It depends. I usually use ranch anyway, so
It's fine. It won't make a difference to
it
you.
won't make a difference.
I'm thinking it may just need just a tiny bit more.
Okay.
There you go, just a tiny bit more.
Okay.
And do a little drizzle of olive oil there. Just finish stirring it up. Now.
Ooh. That was more than a little drizzle.
It's okay. While the rice is cooking, we can get this chicken going. Alright, so keep it like together, and then you don't tear your chicken. So you're kind of cutting it right all through it.
Sort of.
No, it's fine. I don't mind cut up chicken. I was just telling you. And kind of scooping under and twisting around. Maybe all tongs aren't that sharp. I don't know. These things are sharp on the end. Alright, so we can either do a couple of different ways. If we were going to do the oven, we could just lay them out on our sheet and stick them in the oven.
Try it in the air fryer.
That's what I want to do. So, alright, well, we'll come back.
Alright. We'll get this chicken in the air fryer.
And our air fryer is just a ninja. We've had it a while. We love it. I think
use
this
it
is
for a lot of
I was
things.
going to say, I think this is one that gets used probably every day. I try to keep the counters cleaned off, so I'll come by and I'll stick it in the pantry. When I come back by, it'll be back on the counter, and when I clean up at night, I'll put it back in the pantry, and the next day it'll be back out on the counter. So,
Wait, is this what you meant?
yeah. And then probably just one right there in that little thing there. All right, perfect, Kate. You can just leave that there and just stick that in. Here, let me show them. Open it back up so they can. There you go. All right. Now,
What temperature?
we're gonna do. Oh, that's fine. Just do time. 10 minutes. And at 5 minutes, we'll
Get it out.
we'll flip them.
Okay.
All right. Here we go. We'll let y'all know in a few minutes.
Alright, so we're at the 5-minute mark for the chicken.
Different tones since that one's cooking.
And I'm about to flip the chicken.
Sit it right there if you want, or I'm blocking the camera, Caitlin. I'm sorry.
Ooh, the tongue hit me in the face.
Sorry about that. Let's see. Rice over there, and there you can put your tones.
And tongues with the chicken.
The tones after you flip them.
Oh.
Because you're just taking it and flipping it over. Ooh, y'all can't see anything, can you? Look how good that's looking.
Okay, that one didn't flip. There we go.
Alright, that one got flipped right there in the middle. Alrighty. Let me sit this down. Now we can put it back on. Another 5 minutes and they should be done. I think that's right. I'm going to have to Google it. It may be 6 minutes total. I don't know. Hold on. I'll let y'all know for sure on the time.
Alright, so the timer on the rice just went off, and we don't have but a few more seconds on the chicken, so I think it's all about to be ready.
Open that up and let's take a minute. Hold on, leave it there for just a second. Let that.
Alright.
Is
It's
it?
hot.
Yeah, put it back down. That's fine. I was just wanting to get that condensation
So,
off. All right. So let me get the Good. Scoop each one out and put it on here whenever you. All right. Can you reach it like that, or do I need to get it out? Ooh, let me show them how good that looks. So it was 5 minutes. Can y'all see it okay? All right. Ooh, Caitlin, show it to them.
that's really, really good.
It does. It sure smelled good. She was getting hungry, she said, after smelling that.
Let's see if I can. I don't know if I can fit all 6 pieces.
Oh, yeah, you can stack them on top of each other.
Oh, okay.
Well, there's plenty of room right there. All right, let's see here. That rice sure does look good.
Alright, what do you want to do with the tongs?
You can lay them right back here. Now, just put the next,
Just for the next
yeah, you can lay 'em
chickens
right
in.
there. Uh-huh. Yep. And then just do the next grouping of chicken. Let me show them. There you go. And here's the rice. And you start the process. Now that's hot, so if you're going to do that, we probably want to.
I couldn't get it all in.
Oh, that's fine. Here we go. And it may be fine, but I don't want to risk it. You need your stool, or you good?
I'm good.
Alright.
I didn't drop any juice. I thought I did. It fell back into the
And
bowl.
if you need to do a little swirl to make sure the oils get all on it, whatever you need to do. If I need to hold it for you, I will.
This one. That's 5 pieces. I probably need to do 6.
Yeah, do one more right there. And then, like, get some of that juices off the bottom. Touch it. Like, swirl it around there. Okay. Now, right there in the middle. Good job. And then that'll give us one more thing. But it was only 5 minutes on each side. How good that looks. And give it a little taste test. Sure.
Got a little fork and all. Let Charlie sniff.
Might be too loud. I didn't think about that.
Oh shit, she's not all in the food.
Ooh, it's tender. Okay, I'm gonna do this some too. Ooh, show. Very tender.
There's some more.